Hi, I'm Laura, Omniyogagirl, and this is a mini class focusing on the hamstrings. So if you have tight hamstrings, this is a nice quick practice you can fit in and do every day. Hamstrings are quite big muscles, big group of muscles, so they can take a little time to lengthen and to stretch. So little and often is the way to go. Anyway, let's get started. We'll begin with some sun salutations to get warmed up. So begin at the front of your mat in Samastitihi. The feet are together, arms by the side, roll the shoulders back, pull the lower belly in. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Bend the knees as much as you need to. Inhale, look up. And exhale, stepping back to plank and lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. So breathing nice and deeply, relaxing the neck, engaging your bandhas, pull up the pelvic floor, pull in the lower belly. Inhale, step the feet forwards and look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up, press the palms together. Exhale, Samastiti. Inhale up. Exhale, fold, long spine. Inhale, look up. Exhale, and stepping back, hug the elbows in, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Really broaden the shoulders, wrap them outwards away from the spine. Inhale, walk forwards. Look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, Samastiti. Inhale up, really stretch. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look up. Exhale, hop or step back, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog, open the chest. Exhale, downward dog. Reach the tailbone up towards the ceiling. Again, long spine, lots of space between all the vertebrae. Inhale, step or hop forwards. Look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, Samastiti. Inhale up, look at the thumbs. Exhale, fold, look at the tip of the nose. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, look forward, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, look up. Exhale, downward dog. Looking towards the navel, or you can look towards the knees if that's not comfortable. Inhale forwards and look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up, look at the thumbs again. Exhale, Samastitihi. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale, fold, suck the belly in. Inhale, look up, lift the chest. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale to up dog, push the hips forward. Exhale, downward dog. So focusing on your breathing, keeping the bandhas strong, pulling up the pelvic floor, drawing the lower belly back towards the spine. Inhale forwards, look up, exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up, keep the core engaged. Exhale, Samastitihi. Inhale, hop the feet hip width apart. Carry on inhaling, fold down, hook the big toes, look up. Exhale, fold. So we want to focus more on a long spine. Try not to round the back. Feel free to bend the knees if you need to. Keep the shoulders away from the ears, relax the neck, look at the tip of the nose. Inhale, look up. Exhale here. Inhale, coming all the way up. And exhale, hop the feet back together, Samastitihi. Inhale, step the right foot back. Pivot the feet, moving into triangle pose. So pull the kneecap up and tilt the hips sideways. Come down just as far as you can while keeping the body in one straight line. And inhale, look up at the top hand. So we want to feel a stretch along the side of the body, keeping both legs strong and engaged. Inhale, come up. Pivot the feet. Exhale down. And inhale, looking up. Really try and open the chest. Keep the shoulders and the jaw relaxed. Inhale, come up. And exhale to the front of the mat, Samastitihi. Inhale, step the right foot back again. Moving into a wide leg forward fold. So hands to hips. Inhale, reach the top of the head up. Exhale, try and fold from the hip joints and come down. Bring the hands down shoulder width apart. Inhale, look up. Lift the chest. Exhale, fold down. So you want to think about taking the weight forwards, reaching the top of the head down towards the mat, reaching the hips up. Inhale, look up. Exhale here. Inhale, coming back all the way. And exhale to the front of the mat. Samastitihi. Pyramid pose. Pressing the fists together or putting the hands into reverse prayer position. Inhale, step the right foot back. Pivot the feet. And then exhale, fold over the right leg. Look towards the toes, lead with the chest. Really pull the kneecap up. We're isolating the right hamstrings, really stretching them out. Inhale, come up, pivot the feet. And exhale, fold over the left leg. Try and draw the left hip back. We're trying to keep the hips in one line. Again, long spine, reach the chest forwards. Inhale, come up. And exhale to the front of the mat. Release the hands. Samastiti. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. And taking the feet through to sitting. So look forwards. Try and bring the left foot to the right hand, top of the foot on the mat, knee pointing forwards. And then right foot to left hand. Push into the hands, squeeze the tummy in, and then sit down. Moving into Dandasana. So flex the feet. Try and lift the heels up off the mat. Hands by the hips, push them down, sitting up nice and tall. Roll the shoulders back and down, tuck the chin in. Inhale, reach forward. Hook the big toes if you can, or you can hold the shins. Look up. Exhale, fold. So we always want to try and keep the spine as long and as straight as possible. Look towards the toes. And keep the shoulders away from the ears. And pull the kneecaps up, keep the legs engaged. Inhale, look up. Exhale here. And now moving into vinyasa. So we'll inhale, cross the legs, and we'll begin by rolling over the knees. And then exhale, stepping the feet back, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Moving into half splits. Inhale, step the right foot forward. Bring the knee down. And then we'll shift the weight backwards. So we're straightening the right leg, flexing the foot, and exhale, folding down. So try and work deeper into the stretch, breathing into the hamstrings. Inhale, come forwards, just moving into a low lunge. Might as well stretch out the hip flexors while we're here. Sink the hips down and forward. Bring the hands down to the mat, tuck the back toes under and push back, downward facing dog. Inhale, step the left foot forward and bring the weight backwards, straightening the leg as much as you can and flexing the foot. Inhale, rock the weight forwards, place the foot back down. Really sinking into the right hip. Hands on the mat, tuck the back toes under and push back, downward dog. We're going to take the feet through to sitting again, so you can step them forward or hop them forward and then come to a seated position. So now we're going to lie down on the mat and really try and work on keeping our spine straight as we're isolating the hamstring stretch. So place the left hand on the left hip and pick up the right leg, hook the big toe. You can keep the leg bent or work towards straightening it. So like with all the other stretches, try and use the breath to work into the stretch deeper. Keep breathing into the hamstrings. And release the leg back down. Same on the left-hand side, picking up the left leg, hooking the big toe. So you just wrap the index and middle finger around, get a good grip. Try and work the left leg closer towards you. Release the left leg back down. Bring both knees into the chest, hug them in. Inhale, roll up to sitting. And either rolling over the knees like we did before, or you can hug the knees in, kind of rock the weight forwards, and then jump the feet back, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. And inhale the feet back to sitting. And lie down, take Shavasana. So hands away from the body with the palms facing upwards. And legs relaxed, just allow them to roll out to the side. Just let the breathing settle. Focus on your breath. So I hope you enjoyed the practice and found it useful. Please leave any questions or suggestions in the comments, and don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you very much. Namaste.